1 plus 1.
2,
2 plus 2.
4,
3 plus 3.
6,
4 plus 4.
8,
5 plus 5.
10.
Yay! Good job!
Oh my gosh, Tita.
I've been running wild ever since I left Virginia, trying to find a place.
Morning, guys. Another vlog.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the vlog. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Wala.
With joy. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing today? It is a beautiful day here in the countryside. The sun is up, hence the scarcity of water that we are experiencing here. But it is a happy Sunday. Now, I have seen a few comments about what's gonna happen for the motorbike that we have. So, just to clarify, it's actually not really his, it's ours. So, I've already, paid him half of it, so it's now all mine. And yeah, so here it is. It's alive and kicking, though we had a bit of a problem because the battery was drained. So it's not been turned on for 4 or 5 months since I was away and he was not here to actually use it. So yeah, the battery got drained. We had to remove it. My brother-in-law was working in it. He works in this kind of area about motorbikes and stuff. So we had to transfer the battery to mom's motorbike, which is what he is doing right now, and then charge it for a bit. And then now this motorbike is alive and now it's up for sale. Okay, so we're gonna try to turn it on. Let's see if I would know how. You guys ready? Okay, wait. Unsa ako rin? Wala man lagi. Wala man. Layo, guys. Okay, so this is 150 click. So you don't really need a key in order to use the motorbike. You have this remote, you can just put it in your pocket. I feel like I'm actually selling this. Okay, so you have to press this and here it is. You ready? Ta-da! Okay, so here we are. Are you guys coming for a good ride? Come on guys, please buy this. Yeah, this is up for sale. It only has ilan kilometers? Oy, 10,000? 10,000 kilometers, guys. It's not even a lot. It's kind of the same as my car. My car is 12,000 kilometers already, but this one is 10. We got it when it was, when did we go? 2022? Yeah, last year. It's only been a few months. It's not been used. And everything works. See? Come on, Scarlett. Come here. You wanna ride? Ta-da! More. How is it? Yummy? Cheers.
Start. Giwa din na siya no.
Alright guys, so today we're actually cleaning the roof because there's been a lot of leaves and I think there are something that's growing in the, oh my gosh, I forgot what it's called, but it's on the edge of the roof. So I'll show it to you. Ta-da! So can you see? I'll zoom it in. We have that. We have this right here. We have on the other one over there. So there you go. So we are going to the back of the house because Atan is actually up in the roof. We're removing all of the dirt. Scarlett, why are you in there? See, we have to remove it right there. See the holes? He's trying to get all of the leaves and everything. See that? Look. And over there as well. Scarlett, hold on tight. You have to hold on tight, honey. You're gonna fall. Yes, ta-da. One plus one.
Two.
2 plus 2.
4.
3 plus 3.
6.
4 plus 4.
8.
5 plus 5.
10.
Yay! Good job! I'm good job, guys.
Good job, guys. Oh my gosh, Tita.
Oh my gosh, tita ka dyan. Hi! Okay, so we have 3 motorbikes right here. The motorbike, this one is actually flat, so we have to put air in it. So Atan will be driving this. Scarlett and Sis will be riding with Mom. Pangga, are you gonna ride with Nana? Yes? Come on.
Dito ni lubihatan. Okay na.
Papa is here, guys. He just arrived. Pangga, bye Pangga. Bye. Good afternoon, beautiful people. Sis and fam just left because my sister is going to have laundry for Scarlett's uniform and whatnot. So she's also gonna clean their house. I'm just transferring her rice to my rice storage. I don't know what you guys call this. But yeah, I have this thing. That's 5 kilograms of rice. We actually consume a lot of rice since we eat rice in all 3 meals. So yeah, I think 5 kilograms will last us for maybe 5 days. 1 kilogram per day, that's a lot. Maybe 10 days. Let's just put it that way. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna have my, oh my gosh. I'm gonna have my lunch, guys. It's already 12, so I'm gonna cook rice and maybe tortang talong for me this afternoon. Hello everyone. I just finished cooking my lunch. It's so weird me cooking my lunch here alone in the house because for the last 2 months I believe I've just been eating out and Anyway, let's have lunch guys. I have here tortang talong. Yes, this is eggplant with egg and some onion and garlic. I have here ginamos as well. This is very spicy. And mom got me this. I have mangoes and bananas. Ta-da! Fruits is definitely one of my happiness. Thank you, Lord. Bon appetit. Let's try my tortang talong, guys. I love my tortang talong paired with soy sauce and vinegar. I know some people don't put soy sauce, but I love to pair it with. Yummy. Yum. It is so freaking hot in the countryside, guys, like right now. I feel like it's 45 degrees Celsius. So crazy. Okay, we got a lot of stuff. Look, we got a lot of stuff, guys, in the car because I was staying in the city for like about 2 weeks, I believe. And yeah, we got new groceries, so I was not here in the house. And now I am well, alive and kicking. There you go. Okay, you want to help them? Okay, let's do it. Look, a lot of kids are here. Hi guys, say hi. We have Budlot right here. Hi Budlot. Say hi. Hi. And Janella, say hi Janella. Where's sa datingan ani niya? Ay Nicole, say hi Nicole. Bless. Oh, hi. I miss these kids. Oi, you're so big already. Bless ka? What are you eating? Oi! Look at them. They're so cute. Okay guys, we're back here. Hi.
Hi guys, come vlog.
Is that all you say?
Yes.
Nothing else?
Yes.
Okay, so we have here a bunch of stuff, grocery stuff. So we're gonna give you a quick haul of what are the stuff that we got. What is this? We have a bunch of chichirya actually. We have Lay's, Pancit Canton. Wow, what's this?
Potato.
And this?
Ambot.
Garlic. And this?
Potato lusag.
And this? Pasta.
Pansit.
Pancit. And then we have milk. We have tea. I will be drinking tea. We have here this.
Coco Crunch.
Wow. We have milk. We have coffee. And then we have, oh my gosh, a bunch of Scarlett's favorite. What is this?
Beef loaf.
What?
Beef loaf.
Beef loaf. And then we have here oil. We have this. This is basilico. This is for the pasta. We will be making arrabbiata and basilico. Ta-da! We have carrots. We have Chucky for Scarlett. Onion. Another coffee. We have pasta.
Onion.
And we have a lot of meat right here as well, guys. Ta-da! And 10 kilogram of rice. So yeah, a total of the stuff that we got from the grocery is how much? $5 million.
$1 million.
5,000 pesos. So that's 100 US dollars. Ta-da! There you go. Yes. Ikaw, Sud. You say done. Shimmy and I know music and the ding. Bing 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 bang bang bing bang bing 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 bang bang bang. Tin it and I know tin it da da da. Ding 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 dang ding ding dang ding 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 da da dang ding 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 ding. We got ice candy for everyone. You're welcome. Okay, come on. Wow, very good, Mana Scarlett the I.O. They were playing here Chinese garter for Janella and for Budlot. Halidong.
Wala ako.
You don't have one for you anymore? There's another one? What about me? Oh no! No more for Tita. Is it yummy?
Yes.
What's the flavor? Mango float? Wow! Bon appetit!